Ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon. In closing this year's Virtual Palm Oil Conference 2020, I'd like to congratulate the Bursa Malaysia derivatives team on the success of this event. Despite the challenges posed by COVID-19 pandemic, it is encouraging to see the continuous support towards our annual Palm Oil Conference, be it physical or virtual. Global markets continue to face uncertainties. We hope that the POC has once again helped you develop the requisite knowledge to navigate through the obstacles ahead, find new opportunities and connect with your industry peers. Ladies and gentlemen, the COVID-19 pandemic has become a source of economic challenge, having a profound impact across all industries. While the plantation industry is considered fortunate, unlike other industries such as aviation and tourism, industry challenges will continue to persist in the short term. Weaker external markets, lower oil prices, as well as disruptions to supply chains and logistics will inadvertently impact all palm oil producing countries. COVID-19 is said to have affected the world's edible oil demand by some 25%. While we continue to find ways to mitigate this impact, we also need to have the commitment from every member in the industry to stay firm on the values of fostering sustainable development and promote responsible growth for the palm oil industry. The key to this is to have a strong focus on the following. Firstly, is the need to revitalise plantations, increasing palm oil competitiveness through increased farm productivity. Second, having a strong push towards the implementation of sustainability. I believe Malaysia has done well in this area, where out of 452 palm oil mills in the country, over 90% have obtained MSPO certification. Third, is to diversify the application of palm oil and open up new markets. And lastly, to continue the good work of the industry educating consumers about the use of sustainable palm oil. It has long been established that palm oil is an incredibly efficient crop, producing more oil per land area than any other equivalent vegetable oil crop. Scientific research has shown that phasing out palm oil, which is an integral component to a wide variety of consumer products, will only worsen environmental problems because alternative vegetable oils are far less efficient. For example, they use more land, fertilizer, water and pesticides, ultimately driving greater levels of deforestation. With the support of the government in preventing destruction of forests and wildlife habitats, data has confirmed that more than half of Malaysia's land area, or 55.3%, is covered by forest. Ladies and gentlemen, in closing, I'd like to thank each one of you for your ongoing support of POC. To our panelists, thank you for sharing an engaging dialogue and sharing valuable insights and knowledge with all of us, which has brought new depth and perspective to the industry. My sincere thanks to the Ministry of Plantation, Industries and Commodities for their continued support and endorsement of POC. Please allow me to acknowledge the support of CME Group, our strategic partner, and Dalian Commodity Exchange, our special partner exchange. I would also like to recognise industry bodies, the Malaysian Palm Oil Council, the Malaysian Palm Oil Association, Malaysian Palm Oil Board, the Malaysian Palm Oil Certification Council, the Palm Oil Refiners Association of Malaysia, and the Malaysian Future Brokers Association for their tireless work and contribution towards the development of the Malaysian palm oil industry. To our partners, sponsors, contributors, my heartfelt thanks for your generosity and confidence in POC. And finally, my thanks to all participants for taking the time out of your busy schedule to attend Virtual POC 2020. We look forward to seeing you again next year's POC 2021. Thank you.